this video, we'll show you how to perform hardness tests on concrete surfaces. These tests, conducted before and after densification, can identify potential issues like softness due to Type 1L concrete, determine the efficacy of the densification process, and assess the surface's suitability for polishing. The Mohs Hardness Test Kit is comprised of a set of pencils with hardness values ranging from 2 to 9, 2 test tiles, one brass and the other glass, and an emery board for sharpening the pencil tips. Each pencil is made from a mineral or synthetic material with a known hardness. By using these pencils to scratch the concrete surface, you can determine its approximate hardness based on which pencil leaves a physical scratch on the surface that can be felt with your fingernail. Before conducting the test, practice scratching the brass and glass tiles to determine the amount of pressure you should exert when scratching the concrete surface. The brass tile has a known hardness of 3.5, which means it should not be scratched with a number 3 pencil, but will scratch with a number 4 pencil. Likewise, the glass tile has a known hardness of 5.5 and should not be scratched with a number 5 pencil, but will scratch with a number 6 pencil. To conduct the test, start by identifying a clean, flat, and inconspicuous area of the concrete surface. Select the softest pencil with the heel of your hand resting on the ground and holding the pencil at a 70-degree angle with your thumb and forefinger. Apply medium pressure as you draw the pencil back towards your wrist, scratching the surface in the process. If the pencil leaves a visible scratch that can be felt with your fingernail, note the hardness level of the pencil that caused the scratch. If there's no visible scratch, move on to the next harder pencil and repeat the process. Repeat the process with progressively harder pencils until one scratches the concrete surface. It is important to note that while the surface may appear to be scratched, if the scratch can be rubbed away, it is not a valid scratch. Sometimes the pencil will leave a mark of the pencil material, but not a physical scratch. If you cannot feel the scratch with your fingernail, it is not a scratch. Conduct multiple tests on different areas of the concrete surface to ensure accuracy of the results. Ensure that your pencil tips are sharp and the concrete surface is smooth. The testing kit comes with instructions on how to sharpen your pencil tips. Performing hardness tests on concrete is simple, easy, and effective. These tests provide valuable insights into the concrete's hardness and help identify necessary processes to ensure it meets standard hardness requirements and expectations, enhancing its durability and longevity.